Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here we have Miss,
Surabhi Verma,
author of.
The Book of Divine Consciousness.
How is it like being at the world's largest book fair?
I think it's incredible, and when you walk inside this venue, there is a whole different sort of energy,
Right.
Especially if you are a book enthusiast and if you love reading books, you are a book nerd and you are looking
Right.
for something really specific.
Right.
So I think these different stalls are curated very nicely,
Right.
where you can really look and you can, find the books of your interest.
Now, about your book itself, ma'am, what would you say stands out in your
Yeah.
book, like in this genre and theme?
Sure. I think in these times, people are really struggling for peace.
Right.
There is so much chaos going on in the world.
Right.
And what we need is that we really need to find our true self,
Right.
who we are, what is our purpose, what do we stand for.
Right.
So I think the Book of Divine Consciousness speaks to a very huge audience.
Right.
It talks about your purpose, what you have come here to do, what is your mission on earth. If you are
Right.
just an apple fallen from the sky, no. You have a very specific mission of being here.
Right.
I was engrossed in writing the book for a whole year and traveled to a few different countries and just wrote down whatever came through.
Something for our large community of readers. What is the
Okay.
piece of advice you would give for budding writers and authors?
It might take a few years before you can really come out with the best work of your life. And I just want to say that whatever you are doing in your life, if writing comes naturally to you, just go for it.
Right.
Let your thoughts flow. One day they will become into a book. The pages that you are writing, the scribbling that you are doing right now, one day it is all going to come together and it will become a beautiful piece of work that you
Right.
can give to the world.
The key is to trust the process.
Yes, trust the process.
Right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing your experience.
Thank you. I just
I hope you
love
have
it.
a wonderful book fair.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much.
Sure.